it's Dave with the Prepper Bookshelf, and I've got a book to review for you called The Survival Mom from Lisa Bedford, aka The Survival Mom. This is a great book. Starts out with a little quiz. I got the book. She was kind enough to autograph it for me, and I gave it to my wife because my wife, she's pretty tolerant of what I do, but she really doesn't understand everything about it. So I give her the book. She opens it up. She takes the quiz at the beginning of the book and says, "You know, I need to learn a little more." And that's what this book is about. It is a really great starter book, or a book to give to somebody in your circle that is understanding. They love you, but they may not get it, right? So this is a very approachable manner of learning about prepping, learning about basic preparedness, basic, not just for disasters, but for everyday life. You know, it's got a lot of little worksheets, a lot of tips, you know, in the sidebars, you know, little asides, you know, talk about for water purification, why don't you just drink your swimming pool water, you know, all sorts of great checklists and things, okay? Talks about, you know, basic medicine, talks about, you know, babies, talks about keeping things clean in a disaster. So I highly recommend this book. It's a great, probably, gift to give to people, you know, for Christmas or their birthday, to let them see that what you're doing is because you love them and not because you're crazy. So I would get this book and spread it around, and I plan on doing that myself. So I appreciate it. Until next time, you can always catch us online, www.prepperbookshelf.com.